This video demonstrates how to rebuild a Graco RTX 5000 compressor. These are the tools you will need. Push the on-off switch to off and wait 7 seconds for power to dissipate. Unplug the sprayer. Turn the fluid regulator all the way down. Relieve pressure by pointing the gun into the hopper and pulling the trigger. Using a 3/8 nut driver, remove the 5 screws that secure the shroud. Remove the shroud. Remove the air hose from the air cooler by pressing down on the blue ring and working the fitting from the metal hose. Locate the 4 bolts that secure the compressor assembly to the sprayer. Use a 9/16 socket and ratchet to remove them. Push the compressor forward and remove the drive belt. Be aware that the cooling fins of the air cooler are very sharp, so use caution when removing the compressor from the sprayer. Loosen the brass fittings that attach the compressor to the air cooler. Using a 9/16 socket, remove the compressor from the mounting plate. Install the new compressor to the mounting plate. Reattach the brass fittings to the air cooler. Do not over-tighten. Place the new compressor assembly in the sprayer and attach the drive belt to the pulley. Install the 4 mounting bolts, but do not tighten. Using a hammer for leverage, pull the compressor forward to apply tension to the drive belt and tighten the bolts. Check the tension by pressing in the center of the span between the drive pulleys. The belt should not flex more than 1/2 inch. If the belt is too loose, loosen the 4 bolts and readjust. Reattach the black air hose to the air cooler. Plug in the power cord, turn the power switch to on, and test the operation of the sprayer. Reattach all shrouds.